again by Shores. Zirkzee! Joshua Zirkzee makes it 2! Oh no! Oh my word! Well, how on earth?
Oh, Rafael Toloi has got to be careful here. Oh dear. Oh, he's really lost his head. No, it's a red card. Oh, goodness me.
For their signing. It's Lookman. Oh, what's he done there?
Best defender to shows again there, Callum. Sums up his day.
Beautifully timed run, Balotelli to make it 2. And are you kidding? Serious? Mario Balotelli.
Το σου, την μπάλα κοντράρει, γκολ! Από τον Καντίδη νομίζω σε αυτόν κοντράρισε η μπάλα και αυτός είναι που πανηγυρίζει έξαλα και δείτε πως τον κυνηγάνε οι συμπαίκτες του.